happy Wednesday. Am I right? It's Wednesday? Yeah. So it's now 2:14 in the afternoon. So hindi ako nakapag-vlog this morning. I got super duper busy. So super excited na sila kasi as you can see here, makita ko sa inyo aking mga Amazon haul. So diba, I did mention from my last vlog, that was yesterday. Yes, anak, wait. Me and John ordered a few items from Amazon because they are on Prime deal today. So, share ko sa inyo kung ano yung mga items na nakuha namin, order namin para sa bahay. Okay, here's my assistant. Okay, let's cover that. Okay. So, kasi diba, nag-vlog nga ako, ay kailangan ko nang i-mount sa TV or sa sasakyan. So, I got this one for my DJI Osmo. Oh! And this one, okay. So, yung stairway kasi namin, para kapag sa gabi, bababa ka, hindi mo kailangan buksan yung ilaw, umorder ako ng mga motion sensor light. So, ilalagay ko yun sa steps ng stairs mamaya. Yung doorbell camera. So, meron kami before yung blink camera, pero na kasi nasira na. I think kasi nga before, ilang taon na yun wala pa si Sebi, camera na namin. So, nag-upgrade na kami. So, ito yung kinuha ni John. Yan yung kanyang in-order. Yan yung blink. Wow, ang galing ng assistant ko. Nakikita niyo naman, guys. Buhat-buhat talaga niya. This is the light fixture. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited for this. Kasi nga, yeah, I told you guys, di ba, I'm decorating the living area. Inaayos ko yung living room namin. So, isa sa mga gusto kong gawin dyan is lagyan ng light yung mga sconces. So, ito yon. It's from Cartouche light fixture. So, it's like this. Yan, ganyan siya. Gusto ko ito i-try yung peel off na lip tint. Yan. Gusto ko siya i-try. Gusto ko kasi yung may stain lang na magtatagal siya. So, mamaya tatry natin yan. This one, yan. Door stopper siya. Ay! Anak! Okay. So, dahil naka-sale, sayang naman. Yung tripod ko kasi para dun sa Sony ko, sira na. Kaya, kumuha na ako ng bagong tripod. Well, gagamitin din kasi ni John yung camera sa work. Nagsabi siya sa akin kung may tripod pa yung camera. Sabi ko, wala, nasira na yung tripod. So, sabi niya sa'yo, order ka para merong magagamit. And yung heavy duty na raw ang kunin ko. So, ito yung kinuha ko. Maganda yung reviews niya. Meron pa siyang case. Check na natin kung talagang heavy duty na. Kasi yung dati ko pang tripod na ginagamit ko, nabili ko pa yun sa Pilipinas. And when was that? Way back 2018. Nung huli-uwi ko ng Pilipinas. I visited my family and then my dad got me that. Siya yung bumili para sa akin. So, binili lang namin yun sa Shopee back then. So, pero in fairness ang tagal din naman ang serbisyo niya. But ngayon talaga, nag-ihiwa-hiwalay na pati yung mga rubber sa paa. Tapos yung mga lock hindi na naglalak. So, it's due. Uy, maganda talaga yung quality in fairness.
What's that?
Yeah, hi! We're doing an unboxing. So, Kuya Sebi decided to say hi. Come here, Sebi. Say hi to the guys. The guys are here. Say hi.
Hi.
Okay, move. Alright, let's now open the last box. So, Mama ordered an olive tree. This one is for the living room. So, guys, bumili ako ng puno sa Amazon. Nagandahan kasi ako. Ang ganda-ganda kaya niya. Papakita ko sa inyo. So, you see? Nagbigay ka agad ng magandang ambient look. Diba? Nice! Napakagulong unboxing. Okay, let's open the robot vacuum. You wanna see? Leave my tree alone. I'm so excited for this. Are you excited?
Yes, I am.
Yeah, this one will help Mama clean the house. So, hey guys, bumaba na yung mga anak ko sa basement. Iniwan ako, naboringan sa akin. Kasi, may nabasa ko yung instructions. Grabe, ang hirap mag-unboxing ng may mga bag. Hindi ko pa ma-map yung floor namin doon sa robot vacuum kasi it needs to charge at least 50%. Kailangan yung charge na nasa 50% pataas. 30 pa lang ngayon. So, normally it takes 3 to 5 hours. So, pabayaan ko lang muna siya mag-charge dyan, tapos update ko kayo. So, ngayon, ang kinakalkal ko naman is yung motion sensor na night light para dun sa stairs. Pakita ko sa inyo yung itsura niya. Bali, ilan to? 2, 4, 6, 8. 8 pieces na siya. Yan siya. Ayan. Tapos, nagmamagnet to eh. Okay, so while the rest are charging, itry natin yung light. So, meron siya ditong on. Ayan. Tapos ito ang off. Tapos yung auto. Ito kasi yung may sensor eh. So, kapag nadaanan mo, iilaw siya. So, pag nandun siya, i-auto ko na lang. Tingnan, yun naman, kukulit. Tapos, di ba yesterday, dun sa vlog ko, binanggit ko sa inyo na dumating na yung aming fireplace. So, in-install na rin namin kagabi ni John. Hindi kami mapakali. Dapat sana sa weekend pa. Kaso gusto ko na ikabit. So, pakita ko sa inyo. Mister, yan na siya. So, yung TV, ibababa pa yan ni John. You want the cat? Okay. So, ayan siya. Ang ganda kasi, meron siyang mga storage, as you can see. Ayan, storage. Tapos, ito yung ating heater. So, may remote to. Nasa taas, nakalimutan ko. But, pero rin siya yun dito. Ayan, yung kanyang heater. So, hello again. It's now 4 o'clock in the afternoon. So, finish up ko yung aking balikbayan box. Itong box na to sa kapatid ko sa Pilipinas. Zia, if you're watching. Guys, this. Yung pamangkin kong si Lia, yung eldest ng brother ko, magaling siya mag-drawing. So, I got her some of this. Ayan. And this. So, nahihilig kasi siya sa drawing. So, gusto ko sanang ma-improve pa niya yun. I also got them some coloring books. And more drawing books. And more, actually. And marami dyang mga markers and whatnot. Diba? So, syempre, kapag may talent, i-enhance natin iyon. Right? Hi guys! Good afternoon! 5 p.m. na. Or 59. And you know the drill. I'm getting ready for work. Mga bata nasa baba. Nakakatawa si Sebi. Nung nasa taas ako, bigla siya pumunta dun sa hagdan ng basement. Sabay sabi niya, basta may hawak siyang laruan. Hindi ko alam kung anong laruan. Sabi niya, hello mama, hello? Hello? Tapos tumayo ako sa may door. Sabi ko, hello? Kunyari nag-hello ako. Sabi niya, what are you doing? Nga, ganun siya. Nagsasalita siya. Ang cute. Bili nga ako ng laruan na walkie-talkie. Walkie-talkie. Ayan, mag-ready tayo. At gustong-gusto ko na rin matry yung binili ko sa Amazon na, what do you call that? Yung lip tint, try natin. Parang feeling ko may paakit na bata. May naririnig akong yapak ng paa. Sebi, is that you? Hi!
Hey, Mama, noodles.
You want noodles?
Yeah, I'm so hungry.
Okay. Where's Mia? Is she still sleeping?
Yes, you sleep because he's tired.
She's tired. Aw.
It's like Wasa.
Yeah, well, we're gonna have dinner soon. So, ayan siya. And here it is. And may kasama siyang applicator na ganito. I think ito yung pangtanggal ng peel. So, try natin ngayon. Yung shade na binili ko is, ano bang shade to? Mauve. Leave it to dry at least 5 minutes. For getting an ultra long wear it about 20 minutes. Okay. Use tweezers or fingers to peel off the darker layer from the outer corners of the mouth. Finish your favorite lipstick or lip gloss to complete your look. Whoa, see that? Okay, I'm so scared.
You're scared? You're nervous?
Yeah, I'm nervous that this will hurt my lips or something. Okay, there.
You're nervous?
Yeah, I'm kind of nervous with this. Okay, so let's put a timer on Mama's phone for 5 minutes.
Like to poop.
Tell the guys what you said. It looks
It's like a spooky.
a spooky.
It's like ugly. It's like an ugly one.
It's like an ugly one. Okay, thank you so much.
I want to touch it.
Don't. It might stain your finger. Okay, so far, ilang minutes na ba tayo?
Cause it's dangerous.
It's not dangerous. So, 3 minutes pa lang, guys. Inon ko lang ulit yung camera kasi natawa ako sa sinabi niya. Sabi niya, it looks so ugly, Mama. Sabi, broong bata. Right now, it looks ugly, but it's gonna look good later. I forgot to put this. Okay, so ito pa rin yung ginagamit ko, yung L'Oreal na Revital Lift sa under eye ko. Well, I mean, yung darkness ng eye ko, well, I mean, Sebi, be quiet, anak, I'm talking. Hindi naman siya yung nag-lighten talaga na tremendously nag-lighten, but it helped hydrate my under eye, which is really good, na kailangan ko kasi tayo ay super dry. We are always dry. Okay, let's put this on. Okay. I-on ko lang din yung computer ko para naka-ready na ako for later. So, it's, so, ito yung ginagamit ko ngayon na hand lotion. Ito yung paborito ko kasi itong pabango nito. Yung J'adore ng Dior. Favorite. So, yung lotion, favorite ko rin yung scent niya siya. So, 5 minutes is up. So, let's stop the timer. And, actually, I feel na dry na talaga. You wanna touch? Okay. Okay, I'm gonna try to peel it. So, sabi doon, start from the outer edge of the lip. Parang ang hirap naman gamitin itong applicator na to.
You're scared?
Yeah, I'm actually really scared right now because I don't wanna peel my lips. Oh, look, Sebi, it's peeling.
It is peeling.
Oh, look.
It is peeling, Mama.
Yeah, it is. And it did stain my lips. I don't like using the...
Oh, let me see it.
Oh, it's nice.
Whoa!
You like it? It's really red, isn't it? So, ang test dito is how long tatagal itong stain. So, it did stain. For sure, it did. But, negative about it is I don't like yung peeling thing. It didn't really help me. So, ayan na siya. So, gagamit ako ng lip gloss. Ay, this is not my lip gloss. Where's my lip gloss? Ay. Okay, so I don't have it. So, I'll use this one na lang. My lip oil from e.l.f. So, mag-lip oil tayo. Oh, you broke it. Yeah, it's broken. I throw it in the trash can. It's gone. There.
Is this...
Alright, so update ko kayo mamaya.
Mama.
Anong ano niya.
Mama, is this...
Be back.
It's like
Guys, good evening. It's now 7:30. So, katatapos ko lang din mag-dinner kasama ng mga bata. So, update ko lang kayo sa lip tint. Kumain na ako. It's still here. Tsaka, fairness, maganda siya. So, 5 minutes ko lang siya binabad, ah. Fairness, ano talaga siya. Maganda. Goodbye. So, if you want to try this, I will put a link sa description sa Amazon. Mura lang to. Dali, actually. So, para sa mga Canada and US, I'm not sure sa Philippines though. Okay? Basta Amazon, hanapin nyo tong product na to. Ang brand is Silro Feller. Something like that. And it's only $18.99. So, diba napakamura? In fairness. So, yeah, it's a good buy. Yan siya. Pakita ko sa inyo. There. So, yung shade na gamit ko, it's mauve. But they do have a lot of other tints. Meron silang cocoa, nude pink, tsaka rose. So, in fairness, gusto ko yung mauve. Baka ibilin ko rin yung ibang color. Tatry ko. Yung rose, yun lang siguro. Nude pink kasi masyado na siyang light. Yung cocoa, masyado namang dark. So, yun lang naman. And yeah, but anyway guys, I will end the vlog for today. I will see you again tomorrow. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys again on my next vlog. Take care, keep safe, and God bless always. Bye for now.